SSH, Secure Shell, is a cryptographic network protocol that allows secure remote access and control of devices over an unsecured network. An overview of how SSH works. 1. Establishing a connection. The SSH client initiates a connection to the SSH server using the server's IP address or domain name and the designated SSH port, usually port 22. The client and server negotiate the encryption algorithms and authentication methods to be used. 3. Key exchange. SSH employs a key exchange algorithm to establish a shared secret key between the client and server. This key is used for encrypting and decrypting the data during the SSH session. Common key exchange algorithms include Diffie-Hellman and elliptic curve Diffie-Hellman. 4. User authentication. After the key exchange, the client needs to authenticate itself to the server. Various authentication methods can be used, including password-based authentication, public key authentication, or certificate-based authentication. Public key authentication is commonly preferred due to its enhanced security. 5. Session creation. Once the client is successfully authenticated, an interactive session is created between the client and server. This session allows the user to execute commands on the remote server as if they were directly interacting with it. 6. Command execution. The client sends commands to the server over the secure SSH connection. These commands are executed on the remote server, and the output is transmitted back to the client for display. 7. X11. Forwarding and file transfer. SSH also supports additional features like X11 forwarding, which allows users to run graphical applications remotely, and secure file transfer, SFTP, for transferring files between the client and server. 8. Session termination. When the user finishes their session, either by logging out or closing the SSH client, the SSH connection is terminated and all associated resources are released. SSH provides a secure and encrypted channel for remote access, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the network. It is widely used for remote administration, secure file transfers, and tunneling encrypted traffic between networks.